Neurodegeneration, and specifically dementia, and more specifically Alzheimer's disease, we think are all based on poor waste clearance from the brain. My partner and I are trying to develop a non-invasive neurological imaging technique to assess and quantify waste clearance in the brain using a novel radio tracer. Right now in the field, there's no way to truly quantify the brain's ability to clear waste products. So if we could assess your brain's ability to clear those toxins and maintain its ability to clear those toxins, you have hopefully the ability to push off or prevent altogether the development of pathologies like dementia and Alzheimer's disease. I chose the CMIB program because my goal is to eventually work in veterinary clinical research, and the CMIB program offers this beautiful marriage between human clinical research and veterinary clinical research, and pulling wisdom from multiple sources and bringing it together to research something that will benefit everyone that it can, which is exactly what I want to do. The systems that are in place with collaboration and with cooperation in mind and interdisciplinary sciences in mind. The ability to work together even though you may have different majors or different focuses on a project that brings expertise from multiple fields together to create a spectacular end result. And that's been really cool, and the facilities are also incredible, and I'm very lucky to have the opportunity to work with the things I get to work with.